Hello and welcome to the LoLReplay2 introductory tutorial. LoLReplay2 is a desktop-based application for both Windows and Mac, providing helpful functionality for League of Legends players, both casual and competitive. This video will cover the full scope of the LoLReplay2 feature set, beginning with the initial setup as a new user. If you are just looking for explanations on a specific feature, then you can check the description box below for timestamps. After installation, the preparation wizard will show on first run. It will guide you through setting up hotkeys for in-game statistics and death recaps, as well as enabling replay recordings. If you need access to this wizard again, you can find it via the settings menu. The home page, visible when you launch the application, aggregates interesting or funny League-related videos, articles, and replays. In the bottom right-hand corner, visible at all times, you will find update notifications and a ping estimate to the League of Legends server. The estimate reloads periodically, but you can also refresh it manually. In the top right, you will see 3 horizontal bars. Hover over them to open the menu, allowing you to navigate to other pages. You can also navigate through the pages by pressing the left and right arrow keys, as well as the application menu on OS X. The General Settings page contains startup and mapping features. LoLReplay2 should detect your League of Legends installation automatically. In the event the auto detection failed, you can set the location by clicking Change. Once the installation is detected, LoLReplay2 will determine the account and server you are playing on. You will never need to set those manually. Overlay settings govern the statistics and death recap overlays, usable while you are in-game. Here you can change the hotkeys used to bring up the windows, toggle style, and select the information that is displayed on the statistics overlay. While playing, you can bring up the overlays with the specified hotkeys. The statistics allow you to have a quick overview of all players in the match. This overlay provides information about their rank, experience, and success with the current champion, as well as the runes and masteries they're using. These are designed to assist you in deciding how to play against them. The Death Recap overlay aims to provide an improved version of the built-in Death Recap by breaking down damage from all sources to see what actually killed you. The info also remains available for the entire match, rather than disappearing once you respawn. Replay settings are where you change the settings for the replays. You can select when, what, and where to record. When watching a recording, LoLReplay2 offers a set of camera control enhancements, which can be configured here. The replay page is where it gets interesting. Here you will find the list with recorded replays and game statistics, as well as the tools for filtering those. You can rename replays with the box in the top right-hand corner, and by clicking the arrow button, you can open detailed match info on the official match history website. Below, in addition to preview screenshots and information about the length of the available recording, you will find the button to start the replay. If the selected recording is not from the current patch, LoLReplay2 might require some time to patch the replay client for the earlier version. Provided the replay was not corrupted during recording, you will be able to watch replays for as long as League of Legends is around. Support for older replays currently extends back to early 2012. You can also share your replays with your friends in the wider community. Selecting a replay from the list and then clicking Upload will upload that specific replay to our replay database. Afterwards, you can share the link to the replay page on our website. From there, clicking the Import button will automatically add the replay to your local database. Please also use this option if you have trouble watching a replay that you think should be working, and drop us a message with a link and a description of what's going wrong. The final option is the Load Missing Games. You can add information for as many summoners as you like, and LoLReplay2 will download ranked match statistics for all of those summoners, reaching back until May of 2014. Stats for non-ranked matches can only be retrieved if the match was played in recent history, though Riot is working on extending access to that data. Please note that this will not download replays unless they were added to our database by another user. Those can only be recorded while a game is running, so there usually is no way to retrieve them afterwards. Above the replay list there is a quick filter box, allowing you to quickly retrieve specific replays from the list. You can search for replay name, queue, summoners, or champions. Using the as keyword, you can find replays with a specific summoner playing as a specific champion. Using the versus keyword, you can find games with a specific matchup either for summoners or champions. With the detailed filter button, or from the menu, you can navigate to the filter page, which controls the replays and the statistics that are used and displayed in greater detail. If you ever find yourself looking at an empty replay list, it's likely that you simply filtered the replays in such a way that none are showing. The filter also applies to the charts and performance pages, which I will touch on now. The charts page can be used to display various graphs for the selected games, allowing you to compare your performances on different champions. The performance page will show you how you compared on a few key metrics against the people you are playing with and against. The spectate page allows you to spectate games from any server, and also provides a constant cycle of high elo matches to browse from. On the next page you will find the Stream Manager. Here you can add your favorite streamers from Twitch, Azubu, or Hitbox. The list will show which streamers are currently live, and allow you to spectate their matches if they are in-game. You can also toggle notifications to receive a desktop pop-up notifying you whenever they start streaming. Next up is a selection of client utilities. This is where you will find tools for customizing and tweaking the League of Legends client. The login page is fairly self-explanatory, allowing you to change and revisit old favorites. On the item sets page, LoLReplay2 is able to automatically create item sets with your most frequent purchases for every champion by analyzing the games from your match history. You can select which champions to create item sets for, and you also have the option to use the game filter to limit which matches are considered for the analysis. Once created, an item set can then be edited in the League of Legends client and used in-game just like any other item set. If you want to share an item set with a friend, you can copy the text from the box at the bottom, paste that information on the receiving end, and hit the Save button. The Client Utilities page contains multiple small improvements for the client, all of which are pretty self-explanatory. Just tick the checkboxes for anything you wish to enable. Finally, the Champion filters. This is one of the most popular LoLReplay2 features and allows you to create your own champion groups. After selecting Create a New Group and choosing a name, in this case Jungler, you can add whichever champions you play in that role. Now, whenever you type Jungler in the search box of Champion Select, it will filter the list to show whichever champions you have tagged. If you enjoy using LoLReplay2, you can purchase the ad-free version for €10. This will also add highlighting to your name on the statistics overlay, visible for all users of the tool. If you choose to do so, please add your summoner names and servers as a note, so we can add your accounts to the whitelist. If you want to drop us a message with feedback, suggestions, or issues, you can do so from the contact page or on the forums on our website. Thanks for checking out this tutorial. You can find a download link in the description. Please also consider checking out our new website, which allows you to browse our replay database to find just the recordings that you are looking for.